welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I will be discussing my 5 favorite, that's right, favorite fragrances. Now, I know y'all thinking, I thought she was vegan, but guess what, boo-boo? Some of these are vegan and all natural. So stay tuned so you can see which are my favorite 5. My very favorite is something that you guys can pick up at Whole Foods. That's right, I said it. And guess what? It's under $50. Now, hold on. Before you click off, hear me out here. I make it myself. I do. I make it myself. So this is how I make it, and here you guys go. This is a big secret. So fragrance companies, they get off by basically charging us an arm and a leg for fragrances that they make. However, I've decided to make my own. And how I did it was when I started going this vegan, non-toxic life, I started to really research everything. I was a complete dork. I was like, okay, what's in perfume? What's in conditioner? What's in this? I started researching all these clean label products, and I found out that yes, indeed, there are some toxic things that are on the perfume. When I would go out and the next day, I would still be smelling good. Don't get me wrong, I always take a shower before I go to bed, so. But I could still smell it on me, and I would have a headache, I would feel yucky. I'm like, oh, is this a hangover? Or did I just put a lot of unnecessary stuff on my body? I don't know, what have you, but that started to get my gears going. And I was like, okay, I need to find myself a perfume that is non-toxic, that is inexpensive, and something that I can really rock with. So here you guys go. So these are 2 of my favorite scents. This is White Musk and this is Vanilla Musk. Now these 2 are non-toxic. They're made from fragrances, and I get them at Whole Foods. Since I was a little girl, I used to get the Vanilla Avon perfume. It's $10, boo-boo. And when I was a teenager, that was my scent, okay? But since I've gotten older, I've also realized how much I love my auntie smell. That's right, my auntie. Aunt Kathy, I'm talking about you, girlfriend. Mama too, my mama too. They used to use patchouli. All the hippies in the room say amen. All the hippies in the room say amen. Yes, girlfriend, I'm talking about patchouli. It is the hippies' #1 fragrance. And guess what? I researched it, and it has a whole bunch of antidepressant properties. There's even a study done on patchouli that it saves your skin from sun damage. I mean, this stuff is like a miracle. That's why the hippies were using it. They was very advanced, okay? But guess what? I mixed my patchouli and my neem mats, these 3 together, and I mix it with a carrier oil because my skin is very sensitive. So if y'all don't know what that means, it means that you can't put essential oils directly on your skin because it will cause an irritation. So I go ahead and I mix it with my rosehip oil. I talk about this all the time, you guys, because you guys know how much I love this stuff on my skin in general. So there you go. That's perfume #1. It's non-toxic, it's under $50, and you can buy it at Whole Foods. If you're looking for something more like full body and fragrance, then I got you too, baby. Yes, I do. Then I can offer you the very best and dingy looking perfume because it has been in my purse, because this I use almost like a body spray. So this is the Vanilla Woods. I got this at Sephora, and it is non-toxic, it's very clean, and I use it basically for everything. I even freshen my car with it. I be like, because guess what? It's $100, and it is totally worth it. Now mind you, disclaimer guys, I always try to buy perfumes that are under 3 ounces. This is why I do that, Because when you're flying through TSA, I've gotten one of my Christian Dior $350 perfume thrown out in front of my own eyes. And let me tell you, honey, it took everything in my power not to jump over that little whatever that table is. And I told her, I was like, don't throw it out. Just take it home with you. Just have it. Just don't throw it out, please. I do not want to see it in the garbage. And she was like, oh no, ma'am, we can't do that. We can't do that. Girl, please, I know you was in that garbage when I turned my back trying to get that $400 perfume by Christian Dior. Thank you. TSA, I'm coming for you. No, sir, I'm joking. I'm not coming for you, but whatever. So for the next three will be this Bonds. Now this is a unisex, so fellas, if you're watching, which I don't know if you are, but fellas, if you're in the room, this is, man, this is fire. I just love it. It is so freaking good. I don't even know. This is definitely an all-purpose, all year round wear. And to be honest with you, because it's so unisex, it's Bond number 9, Lexington, NYC. Because it's so unisex, I mix it with other fragrances because it's a little, you know, I like wearing men's perfume. That Prada in that white bottle, that smells like baby powder, you know I be like, So, don't mind the label. My daughter rips the labels off. But this is good old Tom Ford Vanilla Fatale. Oh, it is so freaking good. But guess what? I only use it in the winter because it's, to me, it's very warm and it reminds me of a winter smell. So this I use in the winter. This one, do not mind, my daughter ripped the label off. This is by Christian Dior. It has vanilla and tobacco in it. And I think it's called Feve, F-E-V-E, Delicateuse. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So people that are French, you can go ahead and teach me some French because I think it's called Feve Delicateuse. It is about 300 and change, and it's such a nice scent. But I'll be honest with you, I use this more in the winter because it's a very wholesome. It has some spices in it. It has vanilla. Mind you, everything that I have has a little hint of spice, vanilla, and a little bit of patchouli because, you know, that's the hippie in me. I told you, I just love it. But whatever. That is just, it just smells so good. But that is definitely my winter go-to. Like if I have a business meeting, trust and believe I'm wearing that because it is strong and it is fierce and it makes me go in there like I'm super confident, like, yeah, how can I help you? Don't forget, guys, to be fearfully and wonderfully made, and God bless. And I hope you guys like this stuff, you know? Vanilla's popping. It's popping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and send me ideas of what you guys want to see next. Thanks so much. If every time I sprayed it on me, and I went out and I had a good night. Now sometimes, honey, I had a little bit too much fun, if you know what I mean. I don't drink like that no more. Yeah. I can't get down. My liver don't function that way no more, okay? Moving forward to the next two are three. Gosh, it's three. Maybe a night with your hubby, like, hey, just put a little bit on and but just joking. That was a joke, guys. It's about how your body mixes. These are my top 5 fragrances.